name is Tiffany and welcome to Overlanding World. In this video, we're going to talk about how to do an oil change the right way on this Discovery 2. Since we do go off-roading a lot and we do pick up a lot of dust and dirt, it's important to stay on top of oil changes and to keep the car as reliable as possible. So let's get to work. So you're going to need a few things to do the oil change on the Discovery 2. First, of course, is the oil. Since the engine is an old design, you need to use the right oil in order to prevent excessive wear on the engine. What's recommended by Land Rover enthusiasts is the 15W40 conventional diesel oil. You may ask, why diesel oil? It's because it has additives such as zinc, which will prevent excessive wear on the engine. So we're also going to need oil filter, some rags in case you make a mess. The size is 15mm socket, extension, and ratchet, and then just a 15mm ratcheting wrench. And this is an oil filter wrench, some brake cleaner, and then gloves so you don't mess up your nails. We also use this engine flush about every other oil change. This really cleans out the engine well, and then we're also going to be using this motor oil saver, which prevents the seals from leaking. So the next step is to start our engine. Let it idle for 10 minutes and add the engine flush. Let's go. Ooh. So after the engine's all warmed up, make sure to remove the oil cap, fix your hair, and let's slide under. And don't forget your bucket. Got it out, didn't make too much of a mess, so we're just gonna let it drain out and then we'll put the bolt back in. So the Discovery 2 takes 6 quarts of oil, so let's pour it in. So the next step is the oil filter. The reason why you want to put the new oil filter after you've already put the new oil is so that there can always be oil in the pump during the whole process. This prevents the pump from failing, which is pretty common. All right, so we're almost done here. We took out the old oil filter and we're going to replace with the new one. Just be sure to get some of the oil inside the new one and also around the outside seal to lube it up. So after checking with the dipstick, it was a little bit low. We did have to add one more quart. Sometimes that's just how it is, but you got to make sure to double check. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about Discovery 2 today. Stay tuned for a lot more videos, and we'll see you on the trails.